From harsh winters to summer mornings, sipping ginger tea is a favorite in most homes in India. When the rainy season comes, even those people who never drink tea like to drink ginger tea. Surely ginger tea can provide relief from many problems of monsoon. My mom says that ginger tea is not only protects you from cold and cough during the rainy season, but also gives many other health benefits. Let us know whether ginger tea is really so beneficial. Ginger is an ancient Indian spice which has long been used to cure cough and cold and many other diseases. Apart from this, it is also very beneficial in maintaining freshness in your body. Now let us talk what is the opinion of experts about ginger tea. First is ginger tea reduces weight. Ginger tea is also considered beneficial for losing weight. According to 2018 research by the National Library of Medicine, ginger helps in reducing extra weight in your body because it helps in increasing the heat in your body by controlling your appetite. If you include ginger tea in your diet, it helps in quick weight loss and also helps in weight control. Second, improves digestion. Ginger acts as a natural antioxidant which is helpful in keeping the digestion system healthy. Its antimicrobial elements helps in eliminating bacteria. It also works as an antiseptic for the body. Third is controls blood pressure. If you suffer from high blood pressure, then you should include ginger tea in your diet. According to 2017 report from the National Library of Medicine, people who consume ginger tea daily have a lower risk of hypertension. Also, ginger tea is the best drink to keep blood pressure under control. Fourth is improve blood circulation. Consuming ginger tea also improves blood circulation because chromium, magnesium and zinc are found in abundance in it, which helps in improving blood flow, due to which your entire blood circulation remains healthy. Fifth benefit is beneficial in headache and migraine. According to a 2014 report in the Nutrition Journal, ginger is a beneficial in relieving pain. Therefore, people suffering from headache and migraine should definitely include ginger tea in their diet. Now, let us talk about which ingredients required to make a ginger tea. Ingredients for 2 cups of tea. First is milk half cup. Second is water 1.5 cup. Third is ground cardamom 1 to 2. Fourth is sugar 2 tea leaves 1.5 teaspoon. Ground ginger 1 teaspoon. Now let us talk about how to make ginger tea. Ginger tea recipe: boil water and tea leaves in a teapot. Now add crushed cardamom and sugar in it. Add ginger to tea and boil it well. Finally add milk and let it cook for a while. When the color of the tea becomes thick, turn off the flame and strain it. Now pour it into 2 cups and serve hot. If you are health conscious, then you can avoid sugar and milk in tea. You can prepare ginger tea and drink it as per the mentioned method. If you liked this video, then please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Then till thanks.